Hello, Alicia. This will be some video feedback for Milestone 2. Alicia, before I get bogged down in details, I wanted to compliment you on your website and how it has shaped up. And it shows, a lot of effort, but your understanding has really evolved. I like the navigation, I like the rollover, I like that it uses the corporate palette, and it functions pretty well. I like that it goes from upper and lowercase to caps as you roll over it. And I wanted to point out another thing I wanted to point out before I forget is, good on you for organizing your web server files. Watch what happens to this logo town when I go into Mod 7. It's going to get squashed, I think. Whoops. Nope. Maybe you're uploading it. Let me try this again. It was in Module 7. Okay, yeah. Did you see how in Module 7 the logo is compressed? What's good about this is that you've got it in a transparent file format. I think it's PNG. And it sits well, solid, but also on top of the photograph. I like the semi-transparency of this initial box. Know that it does require a little scrolling to get down to the bottom. Oh, that's the other thing too. I like that the footer remains fixed from page to page. And as I scroll up, both the navigation and the footer remain fixed. That's really nice. They're glued to the top and bottom. Nice social media links, dummy links, and your child pages look fairly well fleshed out. You've got content and imagery on all of them. Again, this is week 7, but might as well take a look at it. So it looks like you have already fleshed out your child pages. Your navigation works well. The overall visuals are consistent. You use the corporate palette and the corporate typeface in the typography. Good going. I like your size relationships between, say, these heads and your text. I like this 3-column format. Just bear in mind that it's a little inconsistent with some of the other child pages. Also, this is your, PDF menu. And it looks good. When I zoom out, though, which is maybe counterintuitive, I can navigate it more easily, but then look what happens to your navigation. Not a big deal. Not sure what scale I should be looking at this. But anyway, that works. It works very well. Is that a PDF file, or what have you embedded this as? Ah, yes. You have successfully got it to embed. Somebody else in this class was asking about that, and I gave them a workaround, which, in retrospect, this is a better solution. So, thank you for that you can embed a multi-page PDF. While I'm here, I'm going to take a look at I see that you've got a style sheet for this. It looks properly coded. Good job. An external style sheet, too. It's good that that you have advanced to that. And I like your choice of photographs. As I think I've said in your written feedback, they're both earthy and appetizing. I see that you've got a page with a form. This takes a lot of formatting. Just the layout of your pages does vary. I like the ones with this semi-transparent box because they reflect what's going on the home page visually. So consider maybe making the other pages have the same motif. But, there are like 4 different layouts, and maybe just to make that a little more consistent. Minor thing. Also a nice addition of social media on the contact page. I think that's all for now. I look forward to seeing you refine this, Alicia, maybe in week 8. And really good going. I think your understanding has made great strides.